Unlock the power of artificial intelligence. How to write an effective prompt. Hello, and welcome. In this video, we are going to explore how to write effective prompts. Whether you're a teacher, a student, or just someone looking to improve writing and understanding, how to craft a clear and engaging prompt is essential. Let's dive in. What is a writing prompt? A writing prompt is a statement or question that inspires you to write. It can be used in classrooms, for assessments, or even in creative exercises. A good prompt sets the stage for your thoughts and ideas, guiding your writing in a meaningful direction. Why is it important? Writing prompts help clarify the expectations for your writing. They provide focus and direction, making it easier to express your ideas. An effective prompt can stimulate creativity and critical thinking. So, how do we write a great one? Let's break it down into a few simple steps. Step 1. Be clear and specific. The first step is to ensure your prompt is clear and specific. Avoid vague language that might confuse the writer. Instead, use straightforward words that convey exactly what you want. For example, instead of saying, "Write about a significant event," you could say, "Describe a time when you faced a challenge and how you overcame it." This prompt clearly asks for a personal story about overcoming a challenge. Step 2. Set the context. Next, provide some context for your prompt. This means giving background information that helps the writer understand what you're asking for. For instance, if your prompt is, "Discuss the impact of technology on education," you might add, "Consider both the positive and negative aspects and provide examples from your own experience or observations." This context encourages the writer to think critically and back up their ideas with examples. Step 3. Define the audience and purpose. Another important aspect of a strong prompt is defining the audience and purpose. Who is the intended reader? What do you want the writer to achieve? For example, you might say, "Write a letter to your school principal, explaining why your school should implement a later start time for students." Use evidence from research and personal experiences to support your argument. Here, the audience is the principal, and the purpose is to persuade. Step 4. Different types of prompts. Let's talk about the different types of writing prompts you can use. Each type serves a unique purpose and can inspire different kinds of responses. Number 1. Descriptive prompts. These prompts ask students to create or describe an image or experience. For example, you might say, "Describe your favorite place in detail," using all 5 senses to help the reader visualize it. Number 2. Narrative prompts. These describe a real or fictitious scenario and invite students to tell a story about it. You could use a prompt like, "Imagine you found a mysterious key. Write a story about what it unlocks." Number 3. Expository prompts. These ask students to provide information about a topic. For instance, "Explain the importance of recycling and its impact on the environment," prompts students to research and present factual information. Number 4. Persuasive prompts. These present an opinion or viewpoint, requiring students to take a stance and defend it. An example could be, "Do you think school uniforms should be mandatory?" Write an essay supporting your opinion with reasons and examples. Step 5. Encourage creativity and critical thinking. Effective prompts also encourage creativity and critical thinking. Use open-ended questions that allow for multiple perspectives and interpretations. For instance, instead of asking, "What is your favorite book?" you could ask, "How does your favorite book reflect your personal values or beliefs?" This invites the writer to think deeply and connect their personal experiences to broader themes. Step 6. Include a clear structure. Lastly, consider providing a structure for the response. This doesn't mean you need to outline every detail, but giving a framework can help guide the writer. For example, you might say, "In your essay, include an introduction, that states your main argument, followed by 3 supporting points, and a conclusion that summarizes your ideas. This structure helps the writer stay organized and focused. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you craft better writing prompts.